March. Please share one learning, beginning with Prashun.
The thing I learned today is having soft skill is really important, and studying alone isn't doing anything like in future.
Okay.
So
Okay.
have hobbies
Okay.
and express yourself.
Okay. Thank you.
मैंने सीखा कि हमेशा ऐसा ना हो कि आप पढ़ते ही रह जाओ, अपनी हेल्थ पे भी ध्यान देना चाहिए.
Okay. Thank you.
Today's session is about the not the technical skills is important, also the soft skills is very important, and public speaking is must for your life in future.
Thank you.
Importance of presentation skills.
Thank you, Maiji.
How to start and end a presentation.
Thank you.
रट्टा ही सब कुछ नहीं है, आगे भी और भी चीज़ आनी चाहिए.
Thank you. Harshit.
How to use small things like lunch खाया या नहीं, thank you, to improve the communication.
The real return is joyful learning.
So the best way to express your idea is by visual representation.
Thank you.
Learn new things from different people.
But ठीक है भाई.
Okay. Thank you. Some learn audio, some learn visually.
What I learned is being a good listener is very important, and visual representation is very beneficial.
Thank you.
When given a chance, use it and utilize.
Thank you.
The most important thing that I learned today was that अगर मैं किसी को कोई चीज़ समझा रहा हूँ या बता रहा हूँ, ये मेरा दायित्व है, इट्स माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि उसे वो चीज़ समझ आए, चाहे मैं कोई भी मोड यूज़ करूँ.
Okay. सरलता से समझाइए. जी.
Listen properly.
Thank you.
Balance. It's very important to create balance in our life. Health and studies both are important. We need to create balance between.
Thank you.
Importance of visual aids in presentation.
Okay, so the major thing which I'm going to take home is professionalism and resilience, and how things, your hobbies like singing and dancing shows up in your personality and how crucial it is.
कला से जुड़िए, उससे व्यक्तित्व का निर्माण होता है.
मैंने ये सीखा कि इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन के लिए जितना इम्पोर्टेंट स्पीकिंग है उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट लिसनिंग भी है.
जी. Listening, reading, writing, then speaking.
Importance of soft skills.
Thank you.
हमेशा अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस टू द फुलेस्ट कीजिए. ऐसा ना हो कि आप कोई चीज़ मन में दबा के रखें.
जी. बिल्कुल अपने विचार को अभिव्यक्त करिए. Thank you.
Importance of health, art, culture.
Art and culture is very important.
हेजिटेशन छोड़ के हमेशा कदम अपना उठाना चाहिए और सबसे आगे बढ़ना चाहिए.
Thank you, and very nice audience participation from his side. Thank you.
Visual representation is better
Thank you.
your views.
So clapping and thank you is the main conclusion.
Thank you.
One should use gestures with his speech.
Thank you.
अपनी बात को अच्छी तरह प्रेजेंट करना और प्रेजेंटेशन का वे.
प्रेजेंटर को बताना कि कंक्लूड कब करना है.
Soft skills are as important as technical ones.
Thank you.
Gaining knowledge is not the only important thing. You should also learn how to impart your knowledge to others. Always accepting the challenges in your life,
Yes.
and make a steady effort to achieve all the things. Basically, perseverance.
And appreciate
And a big
pause.
smile.
Appreciate pause.
Talent is nothing if you can't express it or explain it to other people.
Talent needs expression. Yes.
Embedding art through your work also helps you to motivate.
क्योंकि अच्छा जो वक्ता है, प्रवक्ता है, वो अच्छा कलाकार भी होता है. जी.
So I learned that before creating wealth, health पे फोकस करना बहुत ज़रूरी है because long run में health ही
Health is the foundation of all success.
But I learned that when making presentation, make sure you engage with the audience.
Right. और बिजनौर जो है विदुर जी ने अंतिम समय वहाँ बिताया.
Sir, I learned that theoretical knowledge के साथ practical understanding भी जरूरी है.
My learnings are one should take initiative and volunteer. It is the best way to learn new things and have new experiences.
Thank you.
सर कम्युनिकेशन को एक्सप्रेसिव वे से भी कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं जो नॉट जस्ट सिर्फ वोकल या सिर्फ वर्ड्स के थ्रू. मच मोर बेटर दैन.
Thank you, दृष्टि.
Sir, I learned that कि अगर हम कम्युनिकेशन में कहीं अटक जाते हैं, उसको कैसे कॉन्फिडेंटली मैनेज करना, तो मैंने ये सब
Okay. 2 ਲਾਈਨਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵਿੱਚ. 2 ਲਾਈਨਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵਿੱਚ.
ਮੈਂ ਆ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੌਨਫੀਡੈਂਟਲੀ ਮੈਨੇਜ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਹੈ, ਨਜ਼ਰੀਆ ਸਾਰਾ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋਇਆ ਮੇਰਾ.
Thank you. एक बार रज नाल सब के लिए तालियां.
ऑडियंस से हमेशा कनेक्शन बना के रखना है एंड वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन एंड पॉजेस.
That's right. And singing helps you in voice modulation.
The practical knowledge beats theoretical knowledge always.
Thank you. Akash.
I want to share 3 things. Number 1 is the way how you frame your thoughts to tell people is more important than your voice. And second thing I want to say is health also matter in this career race. And the third thing would be having a bit empathy when you speak on stage is also helps in making.
Okay, so here's wishing everyone all the best, guys. Remember, economic prosperity in every household, right? That's the objective. All the best.